I guess this was break 2088. Two hobbies of Topps Tier 1 baseball. Starting us off, base Murakami for the White Sox. Carson Williams, 79 of 99 for the Rays. Then our first auto, Dylan Beavers, 162 of 199 on card for the Orioles. And then we got JT Realmuto, 30 of 99 for the Phillies. Nice little blue, baby blue patch. Connolly Early, that 99 of 99. That's pretty cool. Last on print for the Red Sox. Roki Sasaki to 25 on card. Freddie Freeman to 199 on the relic. And Manny Machado, 33 of 49 for the Padres. Thank you, guys. Oh, I didn't really notice that pulling an auto twice. Yeah, there's two in each box, Chris. All right, guys, I'm going to get these put away. We'll run some more auctions.